Okay, how am I doing? Good, 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 good. Try this one on your own, and then we'll compare notes. We have -5 times the quantity 1 minus x, all right, plus x, less than or equal to negative quantity 6 minus 2x plus 6. Pause the video, try this on your own, do it in interval notation and graph notation, and then we'll compare notes and see if I do it the same. Okay, let's distribute this -5 through. I'm also going to distribute this negative through over here. So that gives us -5. -5 times -1 is plus 5x plus x less than or equal to, now we distribute the negative, -6 plus 2x plus 6. Okay, well we have some like terms we can combine here. Dude, that's so sweet. Wow. Try this one on your own, and then we will compare notes. Well, what the fuck am I saying anymore? Try this one on your own, and then we'll compare notes and see if we get the same answer. Represent your answer to this in both graph notation and interval notation. Okay, so pause the video, try it out, and then we'll work it together. Okay, let's see here. So here this 5 can go through to both these terms, and this negative can go through to both these terms. That gives us -5 plus 5x, right? Because negative times the negative is positive, all right? Plus x is less than or equal to -6 plus 2x. So negative goes through like that, plus 6. Okay, let's combine like terms here. We have 5x plus x, that'll give us 6x. Here, look at this, -6 and +6 just cancel out. Okay, so that gives us -5 plus 6x less than or equal to 2x. I'm going to subtract the -2x over here to the left side, so that gives us 4x less than or equal to, and I'm going to add the 5 to both sides to give us 5 over here. And then finally finish it off by dividing both sides by 4 to get x less than or equal to 5/4. What this is saying is that we're including in the solution set all of the numbers that are smaller than or equal to 5/4. Let's graph it. So here's our graph of that solution set. Right? We start with our standard number line. We need to know that 5/4 is 1.25. At least you need to know it enough to make sure you put it in the right place on the number line. So I'll do 0 here. I think 1's about here. We'll do 2's about here. So 1.25 is going to be right about here. Okay, so we'll call that 5/4. Okay, and it's all the stuff smaller than that, and including. It's including because we have this equal sign here. So I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to say, okay, I'm including that point, so I'm going to do my bracket like that, and then go down into the negative infinity direction. go. All right. For the interval notation, okay, we're just representing what this graph says, and really in practice you end up just skipping straight to interval notation. The graph notation is just an intermediate step, but we go all the way down to negative infinity. Remember, negative infinity always goes on the left side because we're tracing this interval. We're going from left to right. So this went all the way down to negative infinity. We go, and then we stop at 5/4, but we include it, so I'm going to put the hard brackets on there. All right, so there's our interval notation representing that interval, negative infinity to 5/4.